after you export your structural drawing from Prota Structure to Prota Detail, and then you now produce your structural drawing, you will see some clinging looking details like this. But what if I told you that there is a template called Stonebridge template that after you export your drawing from Prota Structure down to AutoCAD, and then you now copy your details that doesn't look right into the template, and then you will get your structural drawing being optimized just like this here. And what if I told you that this particular drawing you're seeing here is the same drawing that was exported just like this from Prota Structure? Now let's do a little practice of what is just here. Now looking at this right now, you can see that this is your structural drawing that was exported from Prota Structure into Prota Detail and then into AutoCAD. Now if I now copy just this particular drawing just now, or I can still, okay, let me copy this right now and right click here and then say copy, and I will now open the Stonebridge template here and then right click here and then come to this place here, and then you will see and then say paste. So if I paste this just now, as you can see that right now, this template helps to optimize your drawing from what you have here to what you have here, as you can see that. Now despite that you have pasted it here, you just have some little work to do, and those works is just to remove what is not there. Now looking at this right now, you will see that this dimension here is not needed because this software Prota Structure try to bring some things which are not needed, so you just have to do what, just remove it from the drawing. Okay, and then looking at this right now, I want to now make what is on this place to be this particular color, and this template also comes with some samples on how your drawings are meant to look like when you are done with your structural drawing using this template. I can see that this is the column, sample of column, which is not the same that was in Prota Structure. As you can see that this particular one here is the one that Prota Structure gives to you, which is your column details. But using the Stonebridge templates, this is how your columns are meant to be, and which is the standard way of drawing columns. Okay, and then also for the beams, when you're done with your beams, this is how your beams are going to look like, as you can see that. And then also for your slabs, how your slabs are going to look like. And then for your beam and column layout, this is how they are going to look like, which is not the same way that came with the Prota Detail. So I'm going to walk you through right now on how to achieve all these. So when you're done with your design on your Prota Structure, and then you have just taken out your drawings, and then it is not looking nice, you can use the Stonebridge template to perform that. So what I mean by Stonebridge template, I mean this particular template here. So if maybe you don't have this template here, you can quickly check on the link down below and download that. And I always advise you download the latest version, because currently this template is on what, 24 version. So you can get this directly from the link down below. Now I'll walk you through on how to use this Stonebridge template to get your structural detail drawing perfectly. And this template works with 3 softwares. One is the Prota Structure, 2 is the Staadpro, and the last one is what, Orion software. So I'll be working directly when to use it when you're done, how to use it when you're done with your design and also your drawings on Prota Structure. Okay, so that takes us right now back to the AutoCAD place where we are. Okay, so right now you can see that when you have produced out your drawing on Prota Structure, this is how it looks like. This is based on part foundation. As you can see that this drawing was, this design is done, or this drawing is on part foundation and all that. And you can see how your part details look like, and how your beams look like, and how your layout looks like, and also how your column schedule looks like, and also how your columns look like, which is not okay for to be used for site construction, although all the values here are okay, but the drawing is not done to quality. So for you to get a quality drawing after you are done with your design in Prota Structure, then you have to use what they call the Stonebridge detailing template. So you can quickly go to Google right now and read about or search about the Stonebridge template, and then you can now see. But just to help you out, you can check on the link down below and get it. Note that the Stonebridge template is not a free template, you will have to purchase it, and also it doesn't have expiring date. So once you get it, it is for life. Okay, but I would advise you get the latest version of Stonebridge template. Okay, so right now let me now walk you through on that. So if I now go just here directly right now, and then if I go to my Prota Structure now, and once I'm done with my design, as you can see that before you must use the Stonebridge template, you must be sure that you have checked all your design and everything is looking perfectly okay before you must now begin to use the Stonebridge template for your structural detailing. Basically, it optimizes your drawing that was done with Prota Structure or Staadpro or Orion into how it is meant to look like for a standard way of detailing. Okay, so right now, let me just show you through how so right now, once you are done with your design and you are sure that you have checked all your main bars, I always advise you check all your main bars, your columns, and everything is okay, and you have checked your beams, reinforcement, and everything is okay. Then once you export your drawing to Prota detail, just like this, then you go to your file on your document, and then locate your Prota file here. And once you locate your Prota detail file and then open it up, as you can see, this is a drawing that was done with Prota. And once you open it up just now, then it will not appear something just like this, because the file here is already open. So you now see your exported files just like this. Now once you see your exported files like this right now, you will see that if you can print out this drawing is not done at all to standard. So what you have to do right now is to carry this your drawing and export it to Stonebridge template for a good structural detailing. Okay, so right now, I can open my Stonebridge template here, which looks exactly just like this here. So if you want this template, check on the link down below and download that, okay, or purchase that. So right now, you can now see that once you open this template here, then the next thing right now you will see is these buttons here. Now you can see that this is showing building done on pipe foundation, and this is showing building done on slab raft, and this is building done on beam raft, and then building done on wipe strip, and building done on part foundation, and so on, and also steel ceiling. Okay, so that's why I say you get the latest version of this Stonebridge template. So right now, I want to go and then look at my drawing file, what this drawing was done with. I can see that this drawing was done with with Stonebridge template. Sorry, it was done with part foundation. So with this now, since I know that this drawing was done with part foundation, I will now go back to the Stonebridge template and open building done on part foundation. So right now, I'll come here and then click on this right now. And once I'll wait for it to now load up the part foundation for Stonebridge template. Okay, so right now let's just give just a little time, like let me say some seconds, for you to now load it up just for you right now. Okay, so once it's done loading, let's just hold on for it to load. So once it's done loading right now, the first thing you see, you have this your template opened in AutoCAD. Okay, and then you will now open it up right now, and this template works in AutoCAD. So no, even if you're using AutoCAD 2000 to 2025, it will still work for you. So right now, once you open this template right now, what you will see is you will see this rectangle icon, this rectangle region here, and then you will see a sample of your drawing, how your drawing is meant to look like when you're done using the Stonebridge template. Okay, so this is how your drawing is meant to look like when you're done using the Stonebridge template for your detailing. Okay, so right now, once you open your template, what you have to do right now is to walk on to the place where you have opened your drawing that was done with the Prota structure. Okay, so right now I'll just quickly right now copy the drawings that was done with Prota structure into the Prota detail. But first, before I copy everything, I'll just show you. Let me just copy one of the beams and then show you how it will look like. So right now, once I copy my beams now that was done with the Prota structure detail, I'll copy it right now into the Stonebridge template here, which I've already opened. So once I copy it right now, I'll just take off this other one that is here already. Okay, so right now, once I paste it here right now, you will see what happens. So let me just zoom it up and then paste right now. Go here and then do paste here. And then I'll paste this guy right now just here. Okay, so you can now see how my drawing is here compared to how my drawing is here. Okay, now let me just copy it out all together right now. So I'll copy all my drawings. So you are prepared to copy all your drawings right now. Copy all your drawings that you have here on the Prota drawings. Copy it right now into the Stonebridge template. So I'll copy them right now and then wait for it to copy before I now go and paste it on the Stonebridge template. Okay, so right now, once it's done copying, I'll just navigate right now to it. I'll then navigate here right now and then open my Stonebridge template here. Okay, and once I open it here right now, I'll make sure I am pasting my drawing in right there on what? On the rectangle icon here. Sorry, so paste it here on this rectangle region here, and I'll come here right now and then paste it directly here on this place and then do what I'll say paste now. So once I paste right now, I'll allow it to just work on it. So this template helps your drawing to optimize it to the standard way of how drawings are meant to look like. Okay, so give it like 1 minute and not that, or less than that, for it to now optimize it for you. Okay, so right now I will now come here right now and then come here and then click on paste. Just paste it right there and then paste that and leave it again for the next few seconds for it to now optimize your drawing. Now you will see that the drawing that was pasted on the Stonebridge template looks better difference from what was there before when you just exported your drawing out from Prota Detail. So right now, give it some time for it to load. Now, if you're working for a very large or massive project, it might take like 1 minute for it to optimize your drawing perfectly. Okay, so just hold on for it to finish up. So right now, if you now look at, okay, let's just hold on for it to, okay. So right now, if you now look at the drawing that is here right now compared to the drawing that was here on the when you just exported your drawings out, you will see that there is quite difference, as you can see it right now. Let me just start with the beams first. So from the beams right now, you can see how the beams look like here compared to the one that is just pasted right now on the Prota Detail, on the Stonebridge template here. So this is the one on the Prota, from the Prota drawing, as you can see right now, and this is the one on Stonebridge template. Okay, so right now, once you paste your beams or your drawings on Stonebridge template here, you will still have some work to do. But what I tell you that this Stonebridge template helps to now reduce the stress or the number of time you would have spent on your drawing to like get your drawing right to at least 80%. So right now, just come here right now, click on this dimension right now, right click here, and then just once you click there right now, right click here, and then you say select similar, for us to now change what we have here to what the sample says here. So I'm going to walk you through on how to get your drawings perfectly just like this. As you can see how neat this drawing is here. So this is how the Stonebridge template wants your beam to look like, so that once you're done, once you print out your drawing, it will look perfectly okay. So right now, I'll now go all the way down here. So once I've selected right now, once I click on my dimension line here, and then right click and then say select similar. So I want to look it to now make it to look what is here on the sample. So right now, type CH and then press enter, and then you now wait for it to now load the dialog box for which you have just pointed out. Now once you type CH and press enter, and then you will now come and then click on the place that says style, dimension style here. Now on this place right now, I will then come here right now and then click on this place here and select the one that's just choose the one I'm going to choose right now, and select this one that says dim 50. So once I choose this right now, I'll wait for it to now optimize it for the dimensions to what we have directly on the Stonebridge template. Okay, and then once it's done, you will now see your drawings and your dimension will now look almost exactly to what is there. As you can see, I will come here right now, then close this right now, and then you can now see our beam drawing right now is now purely different from what is here on when you just brought your drawings out from the Stonebridge from the software Prota Detail. So right now you can now see that this drawing here is not the same drawing as what you have here right now. As you can see that there is pure difference from what we have here, as you can see that, to what we have here to what we now have here. So the Stonebridge template works directly with the software Prota Structure to give you a perfect detailing. So you use Stonebridge template only to perfect your drawings when you just export it out from the Prota Detail. So right now you can now see that from what we have here right now is the same sample that the Stonebridge requires us to have which gives us a better drawing. Okay, so this is the sample that you have right now, and then this is now what we have just done based on the drawing that we have just pasted just now. So although you still have some work to do, but you can see that your drawing right now looks purely different from what it was here as it was from the early stage here, okay, compared to what is on this place now. So on this place right now, I will now have to come here and then copy. If you have your own company logo and all that, like your title sheet and all that, you can quickly copy it down into this Stonebridge template and then begin to work on that. But right now, I'll just copy it right now from this place here. Okay, I'll copy this right now, this template right now, this sheet here, and copy it just now, and then go and place it directly on this other place here to begin to put my beams on sheet for printing. Okay, so right now I'll quickly paste this here just now, and then I'll now come here, copy my beam right now, which is the first beam here, onto I'll just copy this right now. Don't copy, just move the first beam right now from this place right now into the into your company title sheet. Okay, and I'll go again right now and then copy it again. But if you are copying your own company title sheet into this place here, I advise, sorry, I didn't copy this very well because there's a small match here, so I'll quickly take this off right now and then go back here right now and then copy back the particular one, the particular size for beams. So if you are copying your own company template into this place, make sure you try to scale it to the exact size for these beams so that your drawings can be printed perfectly and accurate, okay, to scale. So right now, come here right now, and then I can quickly go and then say copy here. Okay, that's fine. And I will now go here just now, this place here where I'm working on my own, and then right click here and then say what paste, sorry, clipboard, and then click on paste here, and I'll paste this directly here just now. Okay, that's fine. So right now, once I paste this here right now, I'll just come here and adjust this to fit in this place here. Okay, that's fine. So right now, once you have copied or you have pasted your company title sheet here, or let me say block here, I will now come here, then now begin to now transfer your beam drawing into the sheet for printing, and always use move and don't use copy. So I'll now come here right now and then move it to this place and keep this here, and I'll come again right now in this place here, move this entire place here, and then move this and then keep this here. Okay, and then keep this here. Okay, and I'll go again right now, I'll just keep this here right now. Okay, I'll keep this here. Now, when your beam drawing is trying to come out from the beam, most people go and then expand this their title sheet and then all that, but that is not what you're meant to do. All you have to do right now is just to cut this your beam into two and then transfer the remaining to this place. Because if you can scale this, if you can use a bigger drawing, if you can use a bigger title block more than what this case is, then you will see that your beams will not be able to print out. So I advise you just use this this particular title block from the Stonebridge template. You can quickly change your own logo and put in your own logo and all that. I can see right now, put in your own logo and then change what you don't want to be to like see to your own company standard. Okay, but always use, you can really also take this off right now and make sure you use this particular one that is here, and then put in your own company logo and all that. But I can really undo that just now and then move on to the next. So right now, the way to cut your beam right now when it's trying to come out from this place, don't always expand this your title block. No, don't do that. So just right now, right click here and then say L, enter, and then come here, click on this place here, come here right now, and then on your auto command. Okay, and I'll come to this place now, and I can choose to use the polyline icon and not the other way around. So I'll come here, click on this right now, and then come to this place right now, come here and then show the sign of continuation line by using just like this, go here, click here, and then again on my auto, okay, on this coming, go here again and on my auto, okay, and then click this right now here. Okay, click this here on my auto again. okay, and just font something like this here, and then come here and keep this here. That's fine. So right now you cannot see what I've just achieved just now, but I would advise you make your cutting not directly where there is a lapping, but far away where there is no lapping. So right now I can quickly come here to this place here and then make it directly from this place here. Okay, so I'll come here again right now and then copy this up from here and keep this, and then I'll come here right now and then explode this dimension here, and then come here right now, T arrow to trim this off right now, and then T arrow to trim, and then trim this off just now. Again, okay, T arrow to trim and trim this off and trim again. Okay, so I'll press T arrow now, T arrow, and then trim this off. Okay, and trim this off right now, and I'll come again here again, okay, and I'll come again here right now and trim this off again. Okay, and then trim this off again, and then trim off. Okay, so I have made much video about the Stonebridge template, how to use it to get a perfect drawing. So you can quickly walk through and watch all my videos on the version of Stonebridge template, and then watch on how to do that. So I'll come again right now. I'll come again right now and then extend, take this backward, and I'll come here right now and then move this up from here to this place here and keep this here. And I'll come again right now and remove all the dimensions here that is below. It is not needed. So I'll come here right now and then delete it off right now, and then take this off also. Now this will take you, if basically you are meant to take up to 5 days to produce your drawing, by using the Stonebridge template, it can take you less than some hours, let me say 5 hours and all that, to finish up your drawing details and all that. So it helps you a lot to picking out the drawings and all that. So right now, come here right now and then copy this, move this, don't copy, move this right now from here right now, off from here, move it out first, out from the place here, and then try to now come here, move it again right back now into this place here. Into this place here right now, and then keep this here directly on this place here. Okay, that's fine. So I'll keep this here right now and then keep this here. Okay, so I have also thought about how to, I can quickly move this up a bit right now, move this a bit into this place here. Okay, move this here. Okay, so I have also talked about on my videos on how for you, I want you to take this off again and take this off also, is not needed. Okay, take this off also, and take this off also. Okay, and then what again, take this off also, is not needed here, and this off should go off. Okay, and this off should go off too. Okay, so what I was saying, I have also made a video on how to name your beams. As you can see that this beam is not needed for you guys, and so I have trained on how to name your beam just perfectly like this. As you can see that this software Prota Structure names is being based on panels, which is not okay for a continuous beam. A continuous beam is meant to be named as as just one particular beam. As you can see what is here on the sample of the Stonebridge template here, that this is how to name your continuous beam. As you can see that this continuous beam here is named just one. I can see that beam 4 showing the size. I can not the other way around, that they will name here and here. Okay, so I have done a video on how to name your beams like this and how to get your drawings perfectly on the Stonebridge template just like this sample here. So you can watch my videos on how to do that and all that. So this video basically was to show you guys how to get your drawings perfectly when you have just exported your drawings out from the Prota Structure down to Stonebridge. Okay, so right now you can now see that once you copy your drawings from like this right now, copy your drawings from the Prota detail and then copy it into the Stonebridge template just right now, and then come here and paste it here, you will now see how your drawings appears just now. Come here and then paste here somewhere here. You will see how, sorry, just paste here, sorry that, and then come here and then paste just right now. You will see how your drawings will just optimize here right now. Now when you have pasted, you still have some little work to do, and just to take off some dimensions which is not needed, and then take this off also here. And then once you take it off just now by using enter, and then come here, right click here, and then right click and then do what, say select what, select similar. Okay, and then come here and type CH, and then come here and then choose from the beam style here, choose the dim style here to what I'm going to choose right now, which is dim 50, and then come here and then choose dim 50 here, and your drawings will just optimize in less than some few seconds. Okay, so this is how to use the Stonebridge template when you just finished your design in Prota Structure. Okay, so if you are missing any part, I would like you to watch all my videos on how to use the Stonebridge template and all that. And also, if you have any question, if you have purchased this template from Ekidel here, you can really use our WhatsApp platform and then reach us, and then we will guide you on how to get that perfectly. Okay, but if you didn't purchase from us, don't bother to come and meet us up, because we will have to verify if we will have to check if you have purchased from the Stonebridge template before you can now access any question. Okay, so thank you so much, and God bless you. We'll love you right now, and then goodbye for now. Okay, let me just hold on for it to optimize all that before we now go for that. Okay, so you can now see that your drawing right now is now being optimized. So this is how your drawing is meant to look like. Your beam drawing is meant to look like compared to what was here from Prota Detail. So whenever, majorly, Prota Structure is a good software for structural detailing when it comes to building and all that, but when it comes to detailing, it tries to look something like clingy and all that. But the Stonebridge template helps you a lot to now optimize your drawing from what you have here to what you have here. Now, the Stonebridge template has different templates. As you can see, it has different templates for pipe foundation, for slab raft, and all that, even for steel, and it works also for Prota Structure, for Staadpro, and for Orion software. And also it also does bar bending schedule. Okay, so I have done more video about this. You can quickly go on Google and type Stonebridge template, and the first video you are going to see there is the Ekidel video about Stonebridge template. So welcome to Ekidel, where we make things simpler for you guys and for young civil and structural engineer. So thank you so much, and God bless you. To get this template, check on the link down below and download that. It is not just free download, it is a purchase download. Don't be deceived. It's a purchase download. You can quickly go and get the free ones, but you will not get a full function of how that works. If at all there's a free one, but I doubt if there's a free one. So you can really purchase that using the link below, or just type on Google and then you will see a link. The first link you will see is the purchase link also. So anyone can do that on that. And if you're having issues on payment, you can really reach us on WhatsApp, and then we will also guide you on how to purchase either in any country of the world, either in Africa or anywhere at all, and then we'll guide you on that. Thank you so much, and God bless you, and see you again. Now, for you to go, quickly subscribe on our channel and also like our videos. Thank you so much, and bye for now.